Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Paint Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. How are y'all doing today? I haven't been on videoing in a while. As many of you know, I've been at the hospital for quite some time with my mother. So this is my chance tonight to film stuff that I've received, that I've ordered and I received that I didn't have a chance to film it. Okay, so in this video, I have ordered, undone the box and everything because it saves me time. I ordered the diamond painting pen from MTN Inspirations. That's them here. And they have an Etsy store and they make lovely diamond painting pens. Okay, so I ordered one and I wanted to show y'all what I got. It's not going to be a long video because like I said, I had already opened it, looked at it, and the whole 9 yards because this was like last week. It came in this box with wrapping and lots of cute wrappings and a candy and some stickers. And like I said, I took that all out and stuff because I wanted to see it before. And this is it, a Grinch pen. It's a Grinch diamond painting pen. I know I'm a little late, but you know, it's not my fault. It's no one's fault. It happens. Anywho, better late than never. So here it is. This is the diamond painting pen from MTN Inspirations. And I'm going to show y'all again the paperwork and whatnot. I will link them in the description portion of this video. Look how cute. This is so pretty. Look at those flowers in there. Look at the Grinch. I'm just loving it. I loved this pen so much. Oh my goodness. Look at this, y'all. Look at the glitter in there. Different colors. All the pretty colors. I mean, I put one of my placers in each one. It fits well. It does well. It performs well because, you know, I tried a few little spaces out earlier. And, yeah, it did perfection. It's perfect. Like I said, I wanted to show y'all and unbox it for y'all while I had a little short chance. I'm gonna have more videos coming as soon as we get my mom back home. I don't have a lot of time right now to do that. I'm back and forth from the hospital here and stuff. But my mom is doing better. We thought they were gonna let her go today, but they did not. Maybe tomorrow, I'm hoping. It's better that she's here because I could just run back and forth and cook for her and go bring her food and feed her and whatever. But yeah, so she doesn't have much of an appetite, you know. Right now, nobody, when you're in the hospital, I guess no one does. But anywho, yeah, so it came in this little box. I'm sorry, I'm going all over the place, y'all. I'm so sorry because it's been a long week. I'm sorry. It came in this little box with cute paper stuffings and stickers and stuff in it. So y'all go check them out. They make very good pens. I think this is the second pen I get from them if I'm not mistaken, because I'm a pen freak. As you all know, I like ink. I like diamond painting pens. I'm a pen freak. Yeah, so I can't help it. I like diamond painting. I like diamond painting pens and diamond paintings. I impressed myself though, y'all, because I haven't ordered a diamond painting from Diamond Art Club or from anywhere like other than the PR packages for quite some time. I'm impressed. But I did see one on Diamond Art Club that I really like, and so I may order it maybe next week. I'm gonna see. This week my week is kind of full, and last week it was full, and so we'll see. I have some PR packages to unbox, so as soon as I can get to those, I will. But for now, it's this. This pen. I did an unboxing. I filmed an unboxing of the Uncrafty Crafters glue dots that I ordered, and they came in, but I didn't get a chance to post it yet with everything going on with my mom, because I'm really super busy with that. So I will get it up soon along with this video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Anywho, wait, before I go though, I really want to, I watched all the, this is the day after Christmas, so I tried to watch as many premieres as I could while I was in the hospital and doing all the things, you know. I really enjoyed the premieres. Oh my goodness, the premieres were amazing. Everybody had so much, they was all so different. I don't know what to say. It was so amazing. I was amazed by everyone's premieres. They were all so wonderful. The ones I did not get to watch, I will watch them. I'm going to catch up while I'm sitting over there at the hospital. So that's, you know, in between I have to stop. But I'm going to catch almost, I really did watch a lot of them. Like I was in a lot of them. And like I said, the rest I'm going to catch as soon as I can, you know. Everybody knows that when you have a family member in the hospital, it's hard to do exactly what you want to do. You can't do that. You got to think of them first. So, anywho, that's that for that. I really miss making my videos though, y'all. It's like I don't have nobody to talk to. You know, when I talk to y'all, it's like I'm talking to y'all for real. So, and I can't wait till I can go live again. Y'all know I go live every other Sunday, but as of right now, I cannot do it. So when I get back on schedule, I'll let everybody know, and so that y'all could come and watch me if y'all would like to. Like I said, I have so many new friends that I watched. They're, well, I consider them friends, family, diamond painting community, whatever you want to call them. That's what I call them, friends, family. That I'm new to their channels. I really loved them, and I was so happy to be subscribed to them and to learn, like, you know, you'd be surprised how much you learn about a person when they doing premieres, about their family, and it's just so amazing. I don't know. I just can't get it out my head. Anyway, if you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. If you are a subscriber, thank you for watching. I really appreciate all you guys coming back and watching me. Like I said, I'm gonna try to get, you know, back on track, but it will take me a little bit, so just please bear with me. Please don't leave me. I promise I'm gonna try to do at least one video a week, or two, maybe three, I don't know, whatever I can, I'm gonna do it. I do like I said, I'm backed up on PR packages and diamond paintings from PR, and so, and things that are ordered as well. So, well, which was this? Let's talk about this again. No, I love it, y'all. Really do love it. MTN Inspirations really did an amazing job with this diamond painting pen. I'm just a pen freak, and I love it. Absolutely, 100% love it. So, anyway, you guys, I'll be back to make another video soon, I'm hoping, and I hope y'all had a Merry Christmas, and I hope y'all have a Happy New Year, and I wish all of y'all the best New Year ever. How about that? Bye, you guys.